This is the soap bar that I use. I love the consistency of it. It just feels so nice on the skin. This is the, and it's all crust. He wanted to come inside, but as soon as I put him down, he's gonna run away. So first thing I do when I'm getting ready for bed is I brush my teeth, and I just use like whatever I have on hand right now. I just have the Crest toothpaste, so I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I like to floss, and I just use these Slackers floss to floss. Yeah. This is the mouthwash that I use. It's Crest. It is the gum care, neutralizes plaque. Wait, no, it's just the gum care one. This is alcohol free. I know that I said this is like my PM skincare routine, but it's more like an overall health routine that I do. This is gonna be an all-in-one. So, okay, my mouth is clean now, so we can move on to my skincare. Hold on, I need to go get a Liga and a headband. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm gonna put my hair up, and I'm gonna put this headband on. I don't have any of those cute like wristlet things that girls on TikTok use so the water doesn't leak. So yeah, water will be leaking down my hands, just an FYI. So for days where I do wear makeup, I like to use this Palmer's facial cleansing oil, and I could never find this like in store. I actually bought this on Amazon and I really like it, but it has barely anything left. So when I'm running out of that one, I use this Pond's Cold Cream makeup remover. That's what I'm gonna use right now. And I think all the products that I use are quite affordable, although I do want to try like more higher end products. It's just like not realistic for me to be purchasing $40 products when I have like this stuff that works just as well and costs like $9 in the store, you know. So this is the soap bar that I use. Guys, this is the CeraVe cleansing soap bar. If you guys watched my morning routine that I uploaded like a couple of months ago, it's the same bar, it's just a lot thinner now. And can you guys believe that it's lasted me that long? And I wash my face every day, morning and night, and I still got this much left. So this thing, it lasts. So I'm gonna wash my face with this. I'm literally dripping. I don't like to dry my face that much. I like to let it air dry, but this is my face washed. We're gonna go back to my room because I have all of my skincare products over there. I have it in this little vanity. It's not really a vanity, it's like more of a bookshelf that I use as a vanity, but we're gonna go over there and I'm gonna continue my nighttime self-care routine. Okay guys, we are back in my room. Let's go on to the next step of my nightly self-care routine. So I'm gonna use this, sorry, the shadow. I'm gonna use this Thayer's hydrating milky toner. I'm gonna be honest, I was kind of influenced by TikTok to buy it because I kept seeing ads for it. At first I was like, whatever, but then when I saw it in store and I saw that it has like, what is it, one of the ingredients, or like the main ingredient is this snow mushroom, that just made me want to buy it because I used to have this snow mushroom serum that I got in a BoxyCharm a while ago. It was like my favorite serum. I love how it made my skin feel. It just made me feel good every time that I put it on. So that's why I decided to get this toner, and I've been using it for a week and I love it so much. I love the consistency of it. It just feels so nice on the skin. I love it. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna use this hydrating milky toner with just a basic cotton pad. You guys want to see the pour? Just gonna put on my face a little bit. Oh no, an eyelash fell off. Okay, now I'm just gonna bring like the rest down to my neck and try to wipe off anything I didn't get when I was washing my face. It looks pretty clean. I did a good job washing my face. Okay, so I'm gonna just let this dry for a little bit, and then I go in with the Body Guru. Okay, whatever. This is the Verse Retinol Serum. It is the Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. This is a new skincare that I've incorporated into my skin. I've been using it for about a month and I really like it. I used to use the CeraVe Retinol Serum. Now I'm using this one and it's worked pretty good on me so far. So did the other one, but I just wanted to switch up my skincare, you know. I just wanted to see what else was out there, you know. It's made my skin look really nice, so no complaints. Oh my god, do you guys hear my brother and sister downstairs? They're playing Plants vs. Zombies on the PS5 and they just keep screaming. What am I doing? Oh. So after my retinol, I just go in with the CeraVe moisturizing cream, and I got this big tub of it, and it came with the little guy. So I got a cool deal when I bought this thing. But yeah, I like this cream. I just feel like it's a little thick for in the morning, but at night I do like to go in a little bit heavy with the amount of cream that I put on my face. So I'm gonna do that. So almost done with my skincare, but then I'm gonna move on to hair after. The last thing I like to do is go in with this CeraVe eye repair cream with MVE delivery technology, whatever that means. I also got a eye cream in the Stylevana haul that I did, which I liked for a while. It started irritating my skin. Like, it was fine for the first couple of uses. It eventually started feeling like, not sizzly, but like a little tingly sensation when I would put it on, and not in like a good way, like, oh my god, this is working, but like in like why is this doing this? Why is my skin feeling this way? And I just decided to stop using it. It was better to be safe than sorry. And then I like to put some Vaseline on my lips. It's a big tub of Vaseline, I know. Just a little bit. Okay. One thing about me is that I have very fine hair and a little bit of hair. So I don't like doing too much to my hair because since it's so fine, it like breaks off pretty easily. So I like to take care of my hair. Yeah. Let me show you the products that I use in my hair. I like to use this Millie oil. I like to use this Millie oil the day before that is my shower day, because like I said, I have thin hair and a little bit of it too. So putting oils or too much product on my hair makes my hair look really flat and greasy really fast. So I really only put oil in my hair the day before that I'm gonna shower. But today I don't think I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna try the legging heatless curls in my hair. I'm gonna go on TikTok and find the video of the girl doing it.
I'm holding my leggings and it's nighttime, so I'm gonna put these on my head and do the legging heatless curls possible. Then I'm gonna put my favorite hair oil in my ends.
She puts hair oil in her ends. Should I do that too? My hair's gonna look super flat. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. If it comes out oily, I'll just wear my hair up tomorrow. This is the hair oil that I like to use on my ends. It's the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hair, on the tips of my hair.
Take the leggings and put them just on the middle of my head, and I'm gonna
Okay, hold on. Going too fast. Take the leggings. Like these. Tie off one side.
legging.
Wait, hold on.
This time we're gonna take pieces from the front. Start off by still.
Hold on. He wanted to come inside, but as soon as I put him down, he's gonna run away. Okay. Oh, my phone. I don't know what I was recording, but I got this far. So now I'm gonna stuff this in my head. Now the other side. I got it done. It's a little loose, so I don't know if this is gonna stay on my head all night, but it might work nice as like an eye mask. This is not typically a part of my nightly night routine. I just wanted to try something new out, but everything else before this is, and I'll see you guys in the morning for a hair reveal and the rest of my self-care routine. But for now, I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. What time is it? It's 10:25. I think I might watch some TV or just go to bed right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Here, that's your turn. Truth or dare? You have to ask. Watch you learn, little hungry.
Good morning, guys. My cat. Hi. Sleeping in this, it was okay. It was kind of uncomfortable. I think the scrunchies that I used are like the fabric was too thick that it made it kind of uncomfortable to sleep in. So if I try this again sometime, I'll just use like a thinner scrunchie. But I'm tired of wearing this thing, so I'm gonna take it off. It's currently 7:46. Ow, ow, ow. And I'm gonna go with my brother to the gym. I don't go to the gym at all. I've been wanting to, but I have like gym anxiety, so that's been like keeping me from going to the gym. I decided to go with him this time because his gym that he goes to is having a giveaway for a truck. It's like their anniversary of how many years they've been open. So if you bring a guest, you get like three or 5 points entered into a raffle to win that truck. So we're just gonna go and oh okay. I mean, it's curly. I mean, it's wavy, I guess. But my hair looks kind of greasy from that oil, and plus I have to wash it today, so it always looks kind of greasy on this day. But it doesn't matter. I just wanted to try it out. I'm just going to put up my hair anyway since I'm going to go to the gym right now. But yeah, I'm just going so I can help my brother try to win a truck. Okay, so we're back in the bathroom. I put you guys at a different angle, so hopefully it's not too repetitive. Like I did last night, I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I'm not gonna floss this morning because I haven't ate anything, so I don't really need to floss my teeth right now. And these are the products. And it's all crust. Oh wait, no, this is Colgate. Oh. My cat's using his litter box. I'm just gonna wash my face again. My CeraVe bar. Okay, so I'm pretty much done in here. Let's go back to my room and finish the rest of my skincare. Okay, we're in the same spot from yesterday because I have my vanity like in front of me. My vanity is not cute, so I'm not going to show you guys unless you guys want to see it, but I'm kind of embarrassed by it. I think it's really ugly. But we're just going to keep doing my skincare. I'm going to go in with the same toner from yesterday. The next product I use is this first vitamin C serum. I got it when I got the retinol serum. I use the vitamin C in the day and I use the retinol at night. Okay, so now that I put the vitamin C on, I'm gonna go in with my my little allergy eye drops, and I do one on each eye. I'm just gonna go in with the same moisturizer from last night, but I'm gonna put a little bit less on my face, and I am gonna put sunscreen on too. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this moisturizer on. Next, I go in with this CeraVe eye cream. Same thing as yesterday. A lot of the products I use are repeats. The only thing I really switched out was the retinol and vitamin C serum, and I add my eye drops in the morning, but everything else is pretty much the same. Since I'm going to go to the gym, I don't want to be blind there, so I'm going to put contacts on. I just use the One A Day AccuView Moist. I'm going to go wash my hands before I touch my eyes with this. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to put my contacts on. Look away if you get grossed out with people poking their eyes, because that's what I'm going to do right now. Ta-da! Almost done. Almost done. I'm just going to put some chapstick on and then some lotion on my hands, and I'll get ready to go to the gym. I'm gonna do just some simple mascara and eyebrow gel because I'm going to the gym and I never go to the gym, so I don't want to look terrible. So I think I'm just gonna put mascara and eyebrow gel and chapstick. I forgot to put sunscreen on, so I'm gonna put my sunscreen. This is the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, the one that I got in my Stylevana haul from the previous video. It came in two. I already finished the first tube, so this is my second one. Okay guys, so that's pretty much all the products that I use to get ready in the morning and at night. I don't use too many different products, as you guys saw. A lot of them are repeat, and I think all the products I use you could buy either at Walmart or Target, CVS, Rite Aid. They're all drugstore accessible, which is what I love about my routine. Although some of them are a little bit more expensive than others, I don't find myself breaking the bank too much. So if you guys are looking to try a new skincare product, definitely recommend checking out all the ones that I showed in this video. But yeah, those are all the products that I use in my morning and nighttime skincare / self-care routine. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you guys in a different video. Bye.